gonna recreate the battle with Spriggan and Ragnarok. Let's go, guys. Two points for Spriggan. First to 3 points wins, guys. And let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it. Shoot. Oh, again. Sorry for making this, guys. I ordered some David X base and it will arrive at April 21. And I will box David X. Then let's go. We're gonna see who's gonna win this. It's Ragnarok. 1 point for Ragnarok. An epic battle. Let's see gonna win this. It's starting to feel it's like Ragnarok. 1 point for Ragnarok. It's tied to 2. Go shoot. Let's see if who's gonna win this. It's Spriggan wins 3 to 2. Bye, guys.